Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today I am going to teach you about I have done. Present Perfect 1, Unit 15. Has cleaned, have gone, etc. is the present perfect. Have plus past participle. Past participle. Have, short form apostrophe ve. Have not, short form haven't. I've cleaned, I've finished, I've started, I've lost, I've done, I've been, I've gone. We've cleaned, we've finished, we've started, we've lost, we've done, we've been, we've gone. You've cleaned, you've finished, you've started, you've lost, you've done, you've been, you've gone. They've cleaned, they've finished, they've started, they've lost, they've done, they've been, they've gone. I haven't cleaned, I haven't finished, I haven't started, I haven't lost, I haven't done, I haven't been, I haven't gone. We haven't cleaned, we haven't finished, we haven't started, we haven't lost, we haven't done, we haven't been, we haven't gone. You haven't cleaned, you haven't finished, you haven't started, you haven't lost, you haven't done, you haven't been, you haven't gone. They haven't cleaned, they haven't finished, they haven't started, they haven't lost, they haven't done, they haven't been, they haven't gone. Has, short form apostrophe s. Has not, short form hasn't. He's cleaned, he's finished, he's started, he's lost, he's done, he's been, he's gone. She's cleaned, she's finished, she's started, she's lost, she's done, she's been, she's gone. It is cleaned, it is finished, it is started, it is lost, it is done, it is been, it is gone. He hasn't cleaned, he hasn't finished, he hasn't started, he hasn't lost, he hasn't done, he hasn't been, he hasn't gone. She hasn't cleaned, she hasn't finished, she hasn't started, she hasn't lost, she hasn't done, she hasn't been, she hasn't gone. It hasn't cleaned, it hasn't finished, it hasn't started, it hasn't lost, it hasn't done, it hasn't been, it hasn't gone. Have I cleaned? Have I finished? Have I started? Have I lost? Have I done? Have I been? Have I gone? Have we cleaned? Have we finished? Have we started? Have we lost? Have we done? Have we been? Have we gone? Have you cleaned? Have you finished? Have you started? Have you lost? Have you done? Have you been? Have you gone? Have they cleaned? Have they finished? Have they started? Have they lost? Have they done? Have they been? Have they gone? Has he cleaned? Has he finished? Has he started? Has he lost? Has he done? Has he been? Has he gone? Has she cleaned? Has she finished? Has she started? Has she lost? Has she done? Has she been? Has she gone? Has it cleaned? Has it finished? Has it started? Has it lost? Has it done? Has it been? Has it gone? Regular verbs: cleaned, finished, started. Irregular verbs: lost, done, been, gone. Regular verbs. The past participle is ed. Clean, I have cleaned. Finish, we have finished. Start, she has started. Irregular verbs. The past participle is sometimes the same as the past participle and sometimes different. For example, the same: buy, I bought, I have bought. Have, he had, he has had. Different: break, I broke, I have broken. See, you saw, you have seen. Fall, it fell, it has fallen. Go, they went, they have gone. We use the present perfect for an action in the past with the result now. I've lost my passport. Where is John? She's gone to bed. We bought a new car. Bob is on holiday. Oh, where has he gone? Can I take this newspaper? Have you finished with it? It's Rachel's birthday tomorrow, and I haven't bought her a present. It is Rachel's birthday tomorrow, and I haven't bought her a present. Dear students, Unit 15 finishes here. Take care. Bye.